Good day, everyone. For this video, we will be discussing about the primers. Okay. Of course, una sa lahat, definition. Primer is a small self-contained metallic ignition cap at the center or the cavity of a cartridge case that, when struck by a firing pin, combusts and sends sparks through the flash hole of the cases and ignites the powder charge. Ito yung percussion na type daw ng primer. Yun lang naman ibig sabihin ng open and close parenthesis na yan. So, almost all, if not most of the details here in our discussion is already mentioned before sa mga previous nating discussion. So, stay alert, no? This is somewhat of a recall na lamang. Siyempre, let's go back to the history of the primer. So, as you know, Alexander John Fawcett, a Scottish Presbyterian clergyman, is credited with the invention of the first practical percussion ignition system in 1807. It is the story behind this is Alexander, being a hunter or a duck hunter, uses flintlock muskets. However, yung design of flintlock muskets is masyadong obsolete that meron pong hang fire. Ang design ng flintlock gun is meron pong hang fire. Ibig sabihin, once you pull the trigger, meron pa pong delay before the firearm fired. Therefore, nagkakaroon ng chance itong mga duck makaiwas or maka-escape before sila matarget. Okay? So, dahil na bad trip si Alexander doon, dinevelop niya po yung system ng percussion ignition system. Okay? He developed a system using a detonating compound of potassium chlorate, charcoal, and sulfur. Okay? Ito yung compound na ginamit niya for the percussion ignition system, which na kapag pumalo si hammer, nagkukos na po ng spark or nagkakaroon na ng ignition ng priming mixture. Okay? So clarification lang din po dito sa second paragraph. So I have mentioned before the use of mercury fulminate for the percussion caps. However, for further research, si Forsyth nga po, or si Forsyth rather, ang nag-pioneer ng percussion ignition system. However, hindi niya pa po gamit si mercury fulminate during this time, the invention of the percussion ignition system. Instead, na-imbento ito na paggamit ng mercury fulminate sa copper percussion caps around 1820s and 1830s by the inventors Joshua Shaw and Joseph Egg. So kaya naman po nang ibabaw si mercury fulminate pagdating sa percussion caps is eto pong compound ni Forsyth, the chlorate mixture or the potassium chlorate, charcoal, and sulfur is meron pong tendency na mag-corrode sa gun barrel or mga lawang in Tagalog, no? It has a corrosive tendency. Therefore, naging mas reliable po si mercury fulminate. Doon naman po tayo sa parts of primer. So as you can see in the image and the caption below, here are the following parts of a primer. First, the primer cap. Dito matatagpuan o dito nag-i-store ang priming mixture sa primer. Next, the priming mixture itself. It is a highly sensitive chemical mixture contained in the primer cup. Next, the anvil, a portion of the primer against which the priming mixture is crushed by blowing of firing pin. It can be part of the cartridge or part of the primer. Anvil. Yan po yung part na naka-press against the priming mixture. At kapag na-crush dahil sa blow ng firing pin, nagkukos na po ng ignition ng priming mixture, si anvil. Next, the disc. A piece of small paper or disc of tin foil which is pressed to the priming mixture. Ayan naman po yung disc. Gusto ko lang idagdag dito na na-mention na natin before is the flash hole or yung vent sa ibang mga resources. Flash hole, ang purpose po nito is to deliver the ignition of the priming mixture to the powder charge in a cartridge case. Ulitin ko, si flash hole po is a vent kung saan pag nagkaroon ng ignition, nag-spark si priming mixture, may daanan yung spark na yun papunta dun sa gunpowder na nasa cartridge case. Yun po si flash hole. Wala po yan dyan sa parts na nakasulat sa image. So next, meron naman pong dalawang klase ng primer. Ito nabanggit ko na rin talaga sa inyo to eh. So number one is the Verdun primer. The Verdun primer top contains only the priming mixture and the anvil is part of the cartridge. So one important thing, kapag dating sa Verdun, anvil is part of the cartridge case. Ibig sabihin hindi siya nakakone o nakasama sa assembly ng primer. Okay? Hiwalay siya, nakalakabit siya sa cartridge case. It contains 2 or more vents or flash hole. Ayan, nakikita naman sa image. So, may dalawang flash hole kapag Verdun. So, dalawang flash hole tapos yung anvil is integrated sa cartridge case. And it was invented by Hiram Verdun on March 20, 1866. Not long after, nagawa naman po or na-invento naman po ang boxer primer. The anvil is an integral part of the primer assembly and contains only one flash hole. Ayan na, nasa una pa lang na sentence, no? The anvil, kasama na po siya sa primer assembly or sa structure ng primer, and then meron lamang pong isang flash hole. This kind of primer is commonly used in the present time for centerfire cartridges and was invented by the American inventor Colonel Edward M. Boxer on June 29, 1869. Okay. As you know, na-mention ko na nga naman most of the details na nasabi dito. And yun lamang po. Thank you. Subscribe and stay curious and follow for more.